you guys adopted the ultimate tech package on the combine, which comes with harvest settings automation and predictive ground speed automation. Tell us just a little bit about your experience this season with those technologies.
So that stuff is really cool technology. It did, everything John Deere advertises with the more acres in a day and more improving your yield and the stuff that goes along with that. I can attest those are pretty accurate numbers to our operation. One thing we learned is that we didn't expect to see with the predictive ground speed and the harvest settings automation. You don't realize how much grain you're throwing over on your combines once the sun starts to set or once the wind goes down. There weren't many nights we turned the combine lights on this year. Once you start to realize that we're starting to throw over a half a bushel to a bushel an acre here just to go, get that extra 20 minutes in or that extra 15 acres that night. And it gets to be pretty expensive operating. So I was one of the first ones in the area to start shutting down as we saw those numbers go up. And within a few days, we had a few neighbors that had the same machines, and there weren't many of us that were running late into the night this past fall. So that was kind of a effect I didn't see or didn't expect to see when we bought that technology. But it's really neat to see where how much you're throwing over, where you're throwing it over. In the past, the combine advisor was always very good at adjusting machines to keep your dockage down, but this is leaps and bounds better in my opinion. So it's good technology on the combines. We enjoy that one.